communicate, talk about your desires. As the relationship progresses, your sexual life must also progress. We know that the first time, obviously, few people will be comfortable enough to go all out on the first time. You start basic, you build up on that, and the first few times there's a lot of excitement. You get aroused easily, even if it's things that you normally do not enjoy. But as time progresses, you realize that being kissed in the neck doesn't work for me. We need to talk about this. So it must be age relevant, it must be your relationship relevant. And another basic thing is, as you get older, people who have back pains and stuff, that's what most of my patients above 50, 60, we always talk about using a sex pillow. When you're younger, you don't need a sex pillow, but when you're aging, you need a sex pillow so that you can still explore certain positions and stuff. And it's knowing and understanding your body that you will do all the funky, creative positions when you're younger, but when you age, things must change. Be more comfortable with your body, be more comfortable with what you can do. And do not, I think one thing that messes people up is watching porn. Because when you watch porn, you set the standard a bit too high, then whatever happens in your sex life, it feels like it's not enough. Because you want to reach up to that scene that was rehearsed 5 times. You forget that part, that it's not the real thing.